Welcome back to Devices Setup channel again, and today we will learn about how to update the firmware of the Netgear Ex2700 Wi-Fi range extender. So, it is always recommended to keep your device firmware up to date. Also, most extenders are set to check for automatic firmware update at the login of the extender. Now, in order to update your extender's firmware, first you will need to log in into your extender's Wi-Fi page. For this, you simply just need to connect your computer or laptop with your extender's network name. Once connected, open a browser and in the URL or address bar, type http://www.mywifi.ext.net and hit enter. This should bring Netgear Extender login page, where you simply just need to type your username and password to log in into it. If mywifi.ext.net is not working for you, then we will need to log in into Extender's login page using its IP address. Watch our video on how to log in into any Wi-Fi extender using its IP. The link is provided in the description. Now once you are logged in into the extender, you need to click on the menu option or hamburger option and then go to settings. In settings, you will need to click on firmware update option. There you will see two options. One is to check online. If you click on check online, it will automatically update the firmware version of your device to the latest one available. And the second option is to browse. So basically in this one, you will need to first download the firmware from Netgear's official website, that is downloadcenter.netgear.com. The link is provided in the description. On the website, you will need to type your device model number, and on the right hand side, you will see firmware/software. So the top one is the latest one. You can click on it to download it to your local system. Once downloaded, you will have to extract the files on your local system. Now go back to your extender's firmware page and click on the browse option and select the file from your local system that you extracted. The firmware file ends with .img extension. Do kindly note that while the extender is updating the firmware, do not turn off the system or extender, or do not try to go online until its firmware update is finished. So the firmware update takes a couple of minutes, and after that the extender restarts again, and you will be able to connect your devices back again to the extender's network. In case the firmware is corrupt, then we recommend you to reset EX2700 extender and then try the setup again. We have made videos for how to reset it and how to set up EX2700. You can watch it, the link is provided in the description. Also, one very important thing to note down is that while you try the EX2700 extender setup, make sure you don't end up on third-party websites who might scam you. So watch our Netgear extender scam video to save yourself and your family from this fraud. Moreover, if any certain firmware version is causing an issue, then we recommend you to downgrade the firmware by downloading it from Download Center and uploading it on your extender's firmware page. I hope this video was useful for you. If yes, then do kindly hit like and subscribe button. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day.